And our top focus this evening on Election Express is the big showdown playing out in Delhi. It's been 2 days since Swati Maliwal alleged that she was assaulted at the Delhi Chief Minister's residence by his personal aide, Bibhav Kumar. Since then, she's gone AWOL, she's gone missing. Nobody knows where Swati Maliwal is. There's no formal written complaint. While Aam Aadmi Party has confirmed that yes, this assault took place at the Chief Minister's residence, there's been no action taken so far. Arvind Kejriwal is busy campaigning in Punjab as well, where he's spoken about the BJP, about Brij Bhushan's son getting a ticket, but his mum on this alleged assault on a woman, on the former DCW chief, on Swati Maliwal in his residence. Now, amid all of this controversy, has the investigation really picked up? Well, there's no complaint, so there's no FIR for a formal investigation. Let's begin by getting you a report on the latest updates.
Shocking claims made by AAP Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal in an SOS call to Delhi police, putting Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's PA Bibhav Kumar in dock. And it took AAP over 36 hours to acknowledge the claims and admit the assault.
ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की।
But 2 days on, there is zero action by AAP against Bibhav, a trusted aide of Kejriwal. Bibhav Kumar has a controversial past and was accused of assault on a worker in 2007 and faced criminal case. He was recently grilled in liquor scam case by ED.
स्वाति मालीवाल के साथ जो घटना हुई है वो इतनी शर्मनाक है। किसी राज्यसभा सांसद, उच्च सदन की मेंबर, उनके साथ बदतमीजी, मारपीट होना, वो भी सरकारी आवास पे, मुख्यमंत्री के सरकारी आवास पे। मेरा इस सबके माध्यम से यही है कि 24 घंटे के अंदर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए और जो भी दोषी व्यक्ति है उसको गिरफ्तार किया जाना चाहिए।
Amid questions over DCW's silence, panel member Vandana met Swati Maliwal at her residence along with AAP MP Sanjay Singh. Can Delhi expect justice from Chief Minister Kejriwal for its former woman panel chief? Vishriya Chatterjee in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
And let's bring in on this broadcast Preeti Chaudhary. She is joining us from Raebareli in Uttar Pradesh, where, of course, she is out for her election dispatch. We're tracking very, very closely what's happening with the Aam Aadmi Party and this entire controversy. Preeti, good evening. First of all, if you could tell us what your sources in the Aam Aadmi Party are actually telling you. They've come out to confirm that, yes, this kind of an assault did take place at the Chief Minister's residence. But so far, Arvind Kejriwal hasn't reacted, and there's been no action per se against Bibhav Kumar. Are we expecting any steps to be taken by Chief Minister Kejriwal?
Well, you know, right now Sanjay Singh is the one who's the medium between Swati Maliwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. And, you know, Swati Maliwal has spoken with Sanjay Singh. She's made it very clear that the party should take action against Bibhav. Till now, there is no charge of physical assault. She says there was a skirmish, with Bibhav, who is the personal secretary of the Chief Minister, and he misbehaved with her. Now, Sanjay Singh did that press conference yesterday. What my sources are telling us today is that the Aam Aadmi Party, in all probability, will be instituting a committee to inquire into what is going on. You know, a date will be fixed, and Swati Maliwal will first come in terms of to give her deposition of what her version of the story is. So what we can expect in the next few days is a committee that the Aam Aadmi Party will constitute to investigate the matter, because the Chief Minister has given assurance to Sanjay Singh, who is communicating in fact with Swati Maliwal, that a free and a fair investigation will be done and action will be taken.
So, you know, if you look at the PCR call that was made, the Delhi police's entry on that, it looks like Swati Maliwal at least is alleged at that point that she was beaten up, and she says at the behest of PA Bibhav Kumar. That's on your screens right now, the PCR entry by the Delhi police. But post that, she also visited the police station, and this was all 2 days ago, Preeti. Since then, there's been no word from Swati Maliwal. Nobody knows where she is. She's not gone ahead and filed any complaint. So what are you picking up on that front? What's led to Swati Maliwal now hiding essentially and not coming out and speaking on this issue or filing a complaint?
Well, as of now, Swati Maliwal's take is that this is an internal matter of the party. She says that the personal secretary of the chief minister of Delhi misbehaved with her. But for now, she says this is the internal matter of the party. And, what our sources close to her are telling us is that she has faith in the party to make sure that action is taken and a logical conclusion is reached. So yes, despite of being the DCW chief, where she was vociferous against, all forms of, misbehavior where women were concerned, or has been, at least for the Delhi unit, the beacon of women empowerment of sorts. As a Rajya Sabha member, why is she keeping quiet, where she herself has leveled charges of misbehavior at the secretary of the chief minister? Well, that remains to be questioned. But for now, what we are getting in from Swati Maliwal is that she's not talking to anyone. She has faith in the party, as per our sources close to us, and would want the party to, lodge a free and fair investigation. And for now, it's the internal matter of the party, and she will not lodge any FIR or an official police complaint. She also feels, is what our source is telling us, that the opposition, the BJP, the opposition in terms of the BJP here is trying to milk it politically, and she wants to keep away from the limelight as of now.
We'll focus on the politics in just a bit. Thanks for putting that in context, Preeti. Preeti telling us that at this point, Swati Maliwal will not be filing a complaint because she maintains that it's an internal party matter. But that's not how it started off. 48 hours ago, she was the one who made that call to the Delhi police, alleging that she was assaulted in the Delhi chief minister's residence. So was that just an emotional outburst? Has that the reason why she hasn't followed that up with a complaint? Whichever way, it's caused quite a bit of embarrassment for the Aam Aadmi Party.